The success of small satellite launch vehicle D3 sets the stage for its transition from developmental to operational status. As SSLV becomes a regular launch vehicle, it will play a crucial role in meeting the growing demands of the small satellite market and advancing India's space capabilities. The third developmental flight of the Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, SSLV, was successfully launched on 16 August 2024. This marks a significant milestone in India's space capabilities, as SSLV is designed to provide cost-effective and flexible access to space, particularly for launching small satellites. The SSLV is a key addition to India's growing arsenal of launch vehicles, catering to the increasing demand for launching small satellites into low Earth orbit. The success of this flight demonstrates the vehicle's reliability and strengthens India's position in the global space market, enabling rapid deployment of satellites for commercial, scientific, and strategic purposes. SSLV Overview. Purpose. The SSLV is designed to cater to the rapidly growing demand for small satellite launches. It provides a cost-effective and flexible launch solution, capable of placing satellites in low Earth orbit with a payload capacity ranging from 10 to 500 kilograms. Design. The vehicle's three stages are all solid propulsion-based, providing a simpler and more reliable design compared to liquid fuel systems. The liquid propulsion-based velocity trimming module serves as the terminal stage, offering precise orbit insertion capabilities. Mission objectives. Repeatable flight performance. The third developmental flight aimed to validate the repeatability and reliability of the SSLV system. This is crucial for ensuring the vehicle can consistently deliver its payloads to the desired orbit, which is a key selling point for commercial and strategic missions. Satellite deployment. Successfully injecting the EOS-08 and SR-0 Demosat into a 475 km circular orbit was a primary objective. Achieving this precise orbit is essential for the operational success of the satellite's onboard instruments and mission goals. EOS-08 Satellite. Earth Observation Satellite 08 represents a leap in technological innovation for ISRO, incorporating several new and advanced features. Integrated Avionics System. Structural panel with embedded PCB. Advanced antennas and solar panels. Nanostar sensor. Payloads. Electro-optical infrared payload, OIR. Applications. The EOIR payload can capture images in the mid-wave IR, MIR, and long-wave IR bands, which are particularly useful for satellite-based surveillance, disaster monitoring, environmental monitoring, fire detection, volcanic activity, industrial and power plant disasters. Global Navigation Satellite System Reflectometry Payload. Applications. This innovative payload uses reflected signals from GPS satellites to measure and monitor ocean surface winds, soil moisture, cryosphere applications, flood detection, inland water body detection. SICUV dosimeter. Gaganyaan mission. This dosimeter is crucial for monitoring UV radiation levels at the viewport of the crew module in India's manned space mission, Gaganyaan. It ensures the safety of astronauts by providing real-time data on UV exposure. High-dose alarm sensor. This function acts as a safety measure, alerting the crew in case of excessive UV radiation, which could be harmful. Strategic importance of Small Satellite Launch Vehicle D3. Commercial space market. SSLV's successful launch capabilities position India as a competitive player in the global small satellite launch market. With its low cost and rapid turnaround time, SSLV is poised to attract both domestic and international clients looking for reliable launch services. National security. The ability to launch satellites on demand adds a strategic advantage, allowing for rapid deployment of satellites for surveillance, communication, and defense purposes. Space exploration. The successful deployment of technology demonstration payloads like those on EOS-08 is essential for advancing India's capabilities in space exploration and satellite technology.